everyone, good morning. This is Kushali Shah here, and I'm again with you with World Schizophrenia Day. Today I would like to explain about World Schizophrenia Day. So first of all, what is schizophrenia? Schizophrenia के बारे में आपको मैं कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ, and I like to explain about the symptoms that how can you diagnose a person that a person is a schizophrenic patient. So अगर मैं schizophrenia की बात करूँ, so there are a positive and a negative symptoms. So first of all, if we see the positive symptoms is delusion and a hallucination. So in a delusion, the person has a belief or the thinking which is totally wrong in his mind. Means the belief or a thinking which is totally wrong, but in his mind he thinks that this is a really true belief or this is a really a true thinking. अगर हम बात करते हैं, काफ़ी बार हमें ऐसे पर्सन्स भी देखने मिलते हैं नॉर्मली, लेकिन पर्सन्स हमें देखने मिलते हैं कि वो हमारी बात पे अग्री नहीं करते या उनकी बिलीफ में या उनकी थिंकिंग में एकदम ब्लॉक लगा रहता है. सो दैट वी कैन नॉट से अ स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया. लेकिन अगर हम स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया की बात करें, सो देर आर अ सिवियरिटी ऑफ सिम्टम्स इन दिस. अगर कोई ऐसी बिलीफ है, जैसे कोई मेरे पीछे पड़ा है या कोई पुलिस मेरे पीछे पड़ी है या आप लोग मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हो या मुझे कोई आवाज़ें सुनाई दे रही हैं, सो दैट इज़ ऑल कैन बी इंक्लूडेड इन अ डिल्यूजन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज आई एक्सप्लेन यू कि डिल्यूजन मतलब क्या. सो डिल्यूजन मतलब एक थिंकिंग या एक बिलीफ रहती है कोई भी पर्सन के दिमाग में जो एक्सेप्ट करना नहीं चाहता कि मैं जो मतलब वो जो बोलना चाहता है दैट इज़ रियली ट्रू. अगर आप कितनी भी उससे तर्क वितर्क की बातें करें, कितना भी लॉजिक से समझाए, ही विल नॉट एग्री विद दैट. So that is delusion. And in the delusions there are two types of delusion we commonly see in our patients. So first of all, that is precaution. Precaution means कि ऐसा delusion होता है जिसके अंदर the person is thinking that someone or everyone is against me. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ ही सी द पुलिस, ही विल बी अफ्रेड ऑफ दैट कि पुलिस मेरे अगेंस्ट में है, या यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट जो है मेरे अगेंस्ट में. कितनी भी प्लान्स अगर बना रही है कोई गवर्नमेंट, कोई भी गाइडलाइंस दे रही है गवर्नमेंट, तो वो सब मेरे अगेंस्ट में है. ये लोग सब मेरा नुकसान करना चाहते हैं या ये लोग सब मेरा फ़ायदा उठाना चाहते हैं. दे ऑल आर अगेंस्ट मी. और द नेबर्स, इवन द फैमिली मेम्बर्स आर अगेंस्ट मी. अगर कोई फैमिली मेम्बर उनसे कोई बात करना चाहता है तो ही विल बी थिंकिंग दैट दे आर अगेंस्ट मी, ही विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट द फैमिली मेम्बर्स टू. सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड प्रिक्यूशन. और हम दूसरी अगर दूसरे अगर हम डिल्यूजन की बात करें, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड रेफरेंस. इन रेफरेंस इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड न्यूट्रल इवेंट्स ही कैन नॉट एक्सेप्ट. Neutral events in the sense, neutral events he can't accept, or neutral events are related to him. When the two persons are talking away from him or two persons are laughing, so he will think that they are laughing on me, they are talking about me. So that is called reference. Whatever referencing he will do against him only. So that is called delusion. This is a very basic symptom of a schizophrenia. And the second symptom, if we see commonly in our patients, is that is hallucination. Hallucination means there are a variety of sounds, there are a visual things which actually they are not present, but according to him they are present, or they can see or they can feel like that. So first of all, of hallucination, that is auditory, the sounds he is hearing, the sounds whatever which is not present he is feeling for that. So first of all, if the family member, if he is sitting with the family member, he will not tell the family member that he is hearing a sound, but by his behavior we can detect that something is wrong in his behavior or something which is very problematic in behavior. So that is means that he is hearing some sound which is actually not present. That is hallucination. And if we talk about the visual hallucination, so visual hallucination means he can see the objects or the things which are actually not present. If we go on a road, if we go on a road, he will definitely tell you that some person is walking behind me, this person is walking behind me, or someone has come in our house, someone is doing wrong things in our house. That is called the hallucination, and that is visual hallucination. So this I talk about the positive symptoms. And if we talk about the negative symptoms in the sense that the person cannot enjoy his day-to-day activities. Initially he used to enjoy his job, initially he loves to play cricket, initially he loves to go to the outside facility, outside parkings or outside facilities, but after having the schizophrenia symptoms he will not enjoy all these things. He will like to always isolate himself from the society, he will like to sit alone, he will be simply sitting and sleeping, he will not enjoy anything. So these are the basic things we have seen in many of the patients. And if basic things, if this symptoms you can see in a severity major, you can directly contact to the psychiatry, and it is very much necessary to contact to the psychiatry patients. So this time we have talked about the symptoms of schizophrenia, that how can you diagnose the schizophrenia patients. So next time or next video we'll go with the causes of schizophrenia patients, and definitely it can be useful for you also. In nearby ones you can help out and help others also. Thank you so much for watching.